Hi, this is Gordy, reporting straight from my room for $4 per night. Like this. But I have no 4 bill, sorry. Which is just 3.5 euros or 100,000 Vietnamese dong, local money. And today I will show you what is it, that room for just $4 per night. Here we go. I'm in Vietnam, and right now I'm surrounded by these breathtaking, amazing rice terraces. I'm very close to a popular resort named Sapa in the small village. And honestly, this view on the rice terraces behind me not that good as an opposite view to big mountains. So now I'm going to show you the homestay where the room is located, and it will be pretty interesting. Don't be surprised that now I'm just in the cold and here's no sun because the weather is changing very fast. Right now it was rain, and in just 30 minutes it will be super hot. Let's go and see how this look. This is the main entrance with the name of the homestay. So here it names homestay. So here is just a big house. Here is just around 12 or 15 rooms, and here is a terrace. I will show you the view from terrace soon. And this is the place where I'm getting breakfast every day, and the view is amazing. Just look at it. Now it's a little bit cloudy, but honestly I like it more. It's not that hot. Here is very cozy place, and now you can see here is no people at all, and it's very just comfortable and cozy to sit here with the laptop, for example, for do this video. Sorry for my French. And do this video. The one thing very interesting, the Wi-Fi here is very fast, very fast. I spent 2 months in China, and it was no any fast Wi-Fi like this. It's just 100 megabyte per second, and I'm surprised because now we are in the middle of the nowhere in the mountains. Somehow, look, there's a baby there. Très mignon, very cute baby. So let's go inside and I will show you how does it look. You can see here is some rooms. But my room on the second floor. Here is a kind of reception, and everything is stylish and very cozy and stylish. Here you can buy something just as usual, and here is some information in English for tourists about like surroundings. And yeah, you can see the view. The view is amazing. So here they sell some stuff, and there is just a shower and bathroom. Yes, I don't have a private bathroom, but I think, guys, for $4 I'm okay to visit bathroom for all. Yeah, that's it. This is all common area. You can sit here, you can sit outside. I will show you outside more. So here is one more terrace, and yeah, here is just common area for people. As you see, here is a lot of seats, and you can sit, enjoy the view, enjoy the palms, enjoy the greenery around, and look at these amazing rice terraces. Yeah, look at this. So, and I will show you there's my window and there's my room, and now we will go there to check to see how does my room looks. You can see here is another room very same to mine. It's a kind of 4 or 5 of them, and cute dogs are here. Yeah, I must to show you local dogs because they're very cute, and even today I slept with this small sausage dog. Look at this. It's very cute. It's very small dog. Look at this. Very cute sausage dog. Let's go to the second floor, and I will show you how does my room looks. So we are passing by all the common areas and going with these stairs. Stairs looks a little bit dangerous, a little bit dark, but I hope you see everything. And yeah, my room is the first. first one. Let's go and see. Okay guys, I think this is the time to show you my room, which costs just $4 American. We are inside, and yeah, here is just the wooden walls. And first we can see this is the bed. First I will show you how room looks from this perspective. Yeah, this is like this. Very small but cozy. Here is the bed, and there is a working space. We will go there and I will show you. Here is a fan. No AC. But it's not a big deal because at night it's really cold and I just leave the windows open. And for example, now today is rainy day, and absolutely no any necessity of AC because we are in the mountains. So yeah, here is a bed. Pretty big bed, pretty big. And now we are coming to my working space. This is the chair I'm sitting. This is like my computer to work, and this is the tea I drink. You can see, and yeah, you already see the view. The view is absolutely amazing. I like it. So yeah, some flower here. Yeah, it looks like this. I think it's pretty cozy. Here's my stuff, and pretty enough space. My favorite position in this room, it's sitting like this and work with my laptop or my iPad. And look at this view. It's like this. So it's very comfortable chair. I'm happy they have it. I'm putting my legs here. It's very comfortable and just chilling, guys. There is a bird. I don't know why, but yeah, because the roof is exactly here. And so what do you think about it? Tell me, write a comment, and yeah, tell that what's possible to buy in your country for this money, because I think it's really best spot for you know, for some nomading, for working, because internet is very fast, and you know, the view is just amazing. Just sit, work, drink your tea, and enjoy this amazing view, fresh air, and yeah, just everything exactly here. Now I'm having breakfast, this one, and it is included in the room price. I think it's amazing because this food, it maybe will cost 5 or 7 euro in the city center, but now we are in the village. Look at this view. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this quick video entertain you a little bit. I'm going to work to just edit this video for you. I think the fact that you know, the accommodation for $4 is existing, it's pretty nice. You know, no cockroaches, they're very good bed, very comfortable and very cozy and very private. I mean, only me here. No, it's not dormitory. It exists. It's pretty funny. It's pretty funny and interesting. And yeah, so travel, yeah, enjoy the world and enjoy the life. Thank you for watching. It was Gordy versus the world, and subscribe please. I need subscribers. See you soon.